Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook stir-fry vegetables. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This means chopping your chosen vegetables into similar, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Also, whisk together your stir-fry sauce ahead of time. Having everything prepared, known as mise en place, is crucial because stir-frying happens very quickly. A large skillet or a wok is ideal for achieving the best results. The key to a great stir-fry is high heat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral high smoke point oil, like canola or peanut oil, to your wok or skillet. Once the oil is shimmering, add your harder vegetables such as carrots or broccoli and stir-fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, add your quicker cooking vegetables, like bell peppers or mushrooms, and continue stirring for another 1 to 2 minutes. A delicious stir-fry sauce elevates your dish. Combine about 1/3 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1/2 cup of broth, 1 tablespoon of honey or brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Don't forget 2 teaspoons each of grated fresh garlic and ginger, plus 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken it. Pour this mixture over your hot vegetables. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring until the sauce becomes glossy and coats everything beautifully. Once your vegetables are crisp tender and coated in that wonderful sauce, your stir-fry is ready. Serve it immediately to enjoy the vibrant flavors and textures at their peak. It pairs perfectly with a bed of fluffy white rice or your preferred noodles. For an extra touch, consider garnishing your dish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions. Enjoy your quick, healthy, and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.